Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Android mobile phone to PC for internet. So as you can see, my PC does not have internet connection. Well, my Wi-Fi is off, so let's turn it on. Well, it's gonna get connected to my Wi-Fi, so I will disconnect the Wi-Fi. So now let's suppose that I don't have any Wi-Fi connection at the moment. So I will share my phone's data connection with my computer. So let's jump into the phone screen. So here I'm in my phone screen, and in phone screen, I'm going to go to settings. After you're in settings, go to network and internet. In network and internet, you're going to find an option like hotspot tethering. So here's the hotspot tethering. I'm going to turn on Wi-Fi hotspot. So my hotspot is active. Now let's suppose I don't know the hotspot name and password. So let's enter hotspot settings. So hotspot name is nothing phone 1, and here is the hotspot password. Let's view the password. So this is my hotspot password. So I'm going to now jump into the computer screen, and now I'm going to go to the network settings. Here I am. Let's expand the Wi-Fi settings. So as you can see, nothing phone 1 is here. Let's select connect here. I will input the same password that's showing in my phone. Now let's see if the password is okay. So as you can see, the password is matching completely. Now I'm going to click next. And as you can see, now I'm connected to my phone's internet. So guys, that's how you can turn on hotspot in your Android mobile phone and then share your internet with your PC. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.